Rands and Sense on the Midday Connection.
Yo, bangani, yo.
Hi, yo, impela. Joining us namhlanje, of course, is Zola Mbata, who helps us to get tikitile ndaba yamalobolo. Good afternoon, Zola.
Yebo Putinjani.
Sikhona bet. How was your weekend? Everything okay?
My weekend, it was great. But I'm just so happy to hear from you, Dala ngagcina mfethu.
No. I'm doing good.
Okay,
I'm doing really good.
I'm happy. Happy. All right, finally sebenze vele phela.
Akukho kunye mama.
100. Yeah, I'm back.
Last week you already just put a very, very strong introduction in terms of making sure ukuthi ke siyazi ukuthi ke ilobola selumshado.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, ehlanganisile indeed. Yeah, I mean, look, to be fair on us, we've been talking about this, guys. Unyaka wonke last year, I think. Every time so we touch another financial or legal topic. Kodwa besilokhu sibuyela la ukuthi guys, ningakhohlwa ukuthi manilobola niyongena emshadweni, which is okay vele yikho phela silobola vele sifuna umshado. Asingenze ngazuthi into esingayifuni. Inkinga la is you now need to know ukuthi khona i-act ekuthiwa i-Recognition of Customary Marriages Act ayisashiyi umshado wakho phakathi kwakho nomndeni wakho. Isikufaka kumthetho ke manje, and the rules of lo mthetho lo uthi ungenzanga i-anti-nuptial contract before yolobola wase wenza leso step leso usuphakathi emshadweni and umshado wakho u-incognito property.
It was all about questions abalaleli last week, and we couldn't get through all of them. So stay nanamhlanje ke sibanikeza ithuba lokuthi ke baphenduleke. Here is the first question.
Asanibonani kakasini, mina ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ukuthi i-boyfriend yakho iyavela like isihlobo esihle not ukulobola nayo le nto le is considered as indlela emshado le ukucela ngesihlobo esihle.
Yeah, ne? Sure. So I think, are you guys there?
Sure.
Okay, so I think this is one of the things that worry people the most, because manje sengazuthi kunendideko ukuthi iliphi lobola iliphi ukucela. So ukusiza abantu ngabasiza ngokuthi ngisho kanje kulama requirements omshado wesintu ukuthi ube recognized uzube in community property. Kukhona requirement ekuthiwa i-intention. If ni kubhalwe ama steps is incwadi yelobola or kuceliwe ukuza on a certain day umndeni wavuma verbally or ngencwadi kwase kwafikwa ngalelo langa lelo into ezokhulunywa nezinto ezenziwayo mekufika egate njengoba kudala sichaza bese kukhulunywa la kuthiwa hayi undodana wethu ufuna ukuthatha indodakazi yenu ngicela ukuthi nishiye into etshengisayo leyo deposit leyo ngoba siyalobolana vele siyabuya soqedelela. That shows intention yokuthi siyashada. Kodwa mengenzanga lokho ungabhalanga ncwadi kuvele kwafika umndeni ucela meeting kuzothiwa hayi sizocela uhlobo sazobuya sokhokha ilobolo, then of course akulotsholiwe nangezulu vele awushadile lapho. So abantu akufanele badideke baze bamosha isikhathi esiningi la ukutheni hayi mina bengicela mina khokha 200 rand khona i-requirement ekuthiwa i-intention.
Once wakhokha nje seziyasho
ngene emshadweni phakathi emshadweni niyaya veleke emshadweni. So asikho isidingo, kukhona abantu abafuna ukushintsha ngisho inhlawulo bathi bona abantu bafuna ukushintsha ilobolo bathi no sivumelanile ukuthi kube.
Okay, I think I need to get disconnected kancane. Let's try get Uzola back. While we do that, I guess it's shwi masibuya siyaqhubeka unpacking further ngambuzo yakho namlalelo Gagasi FM.
Gagasi FM.
Sikulento Rands and Sense, and isiqhubeka la sagcina khona last week about ukukhuluma ke ngokuthi ke ilobolo being umshado, and particularly umshado okuhlanganisa. We do have your questions coming in thick and fast. It's all about you. Othi sidlale umbuzo wesibili khona Uzola ezophendula.
Sanibona lapho Sonic no sisters. Mina ngicela ukuba anonymous nje. Umbuzo wami ukuthi ke mina leseni yasebenza noba uThuli no partner wakho ososhadile naye. And then yena awa withdraw ama funds akhe like pension yakhe ayithathe because umsebenzini wakhe it's not like bazo update noma bazo informa nawe ukuthi nangoku unkosikazi wakho use withdraw esethatha ama funds akhe wenziwa kanjani kumethe njalo uthola ukuthi umuntu hayi impatient yakho seyithathile nje yena awazi wena uthola later on wenza kanjani ke maku kanjalo ngiyabonga.
Right. I hope ngiyazwakala. Sorry about that.
Yebo.
The answer to his question is this. Ngesikhathi usashadile income property, you are each allowed ukuthi nenze noma yini ngemali yenu. It's only umuphela umshado that it matters ukuthi kwenzakalani ngemali zenu. When you divorcing or yedwa wena useshonile. Ngesikhathi nisaphila, you more than welcome ukuthatha ipension yakho yowakha ngayo uthenga imoto. You can do whatever you want with your money. Because you're still alive. Obviously, kufanele nikhulumisane phela ngoba nisemshadweni, but there's nothing wrong with lento yenze umama.
Ejane lapha eGagasini. Bengisacela ukubuza la ukuthi mangabe ukuthi ke umuntu akaqali ke ukulojolo mhlawumbe uselojolo kwesibili noma uselojolo kwesithathu ngoba phela odadewethu isikhathi esiningi sekanjalo. Manje imuphi umshado orecognizewayo lapho? Uthothi wena usulobola mhlawumbe owesibili noma owesithathu. Ithiwani into enjalo.
Okay. Okwamanje umthetho njengoba ungakoshintsha we-Recognition of Customary Marriages Act kubalekile ukuthi nibuzane before nilobolana ukuthi wake walotsholwa or usuke walobola because yilo oqala kuphela ilobola ilona kuphela eli-recognized ilona kuphela futhi eli-valid.
Ngibona abafana basinge ngibingelela ngicela ukubuza mangabe umfana kade lobolile wase wambamba ichitha bese na decide ukuthi okay what decide ukuthi okay uyamnyeka kade sekulobolile engachithanga nomuntu oyedwa echitha nabantu abaningi uyayenza njani leyo situation kanjalo?
Hey Nkosiyami kuthi kuba nzima ngaphandle ade right now it doesn't matter ukuthi umuntu ufaithful or not. When you married in communal property, you are in communal property. Once wangena kumshado wosiko fana nomshado lo wesingisi wecivil, as long as niphakathi emshadweni umshado stands, you can only get out and get divorced. Ukuthi uba nochithayo doesn't necessarily have a problem except musu divorce. If uyakhetha ukumdivorce ngoba sechitha nabantu abaningi kungcono ucele uclaima i-forfeiture of assets. Ibizwa ngalokho kuthiwa i-forfeiture of assets on the grounds of unfaithfulness. Khona uzokwazi ukuthi angatholi ipension yakho, angatholi indlu yakho, angatholi imoto yakho uma usumdivorce ngoba engekho faithful.
Sanibona nabafana bahle. Can I be anonymous? Ngiyazi ukuthi lo mthetho uphuma this year, but I just wanted to check, guys. Ukuthi if ulojile, let's say ulojile like 4 years ago, and you were in a process of getting your prenup, but wakayitholi. Lo mthetho lophumile uphuma cover everything, like even the lobola negotiations that happened before uphuma umthetho noma is it something that's just going to happen moving forward? Number one. Number two, ungizwe sikhuluma ngama requirements, but if ke sekuthiwa ke mhlambe ke lo ma requirements sekabala and incwadi ayikho but all the other things are there, does that also qualify that to be like a legal marriage?
Legal marriage. I'm not necessarily going to go into the letter elobolo one because that's going to take a bit of time. But asizela umthetho lona bobut bam awukho musha. Umthetho ka 1998 law. It's the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act 1998. And then uthi wona any lobolo kwake kwangena kulona before lo mthetho and after, it all applies. That's why phela kwaqhamuka umama after 45 years owalojola 45 years ago. So there's no restriction here based on the years. And people seem to think this is a new law because the Constitutional Court made a judgment last week about it. This is a 1998 act. And the constitutional case ayizangene this year, yangena a year ago or 2 years ago. So wonke umuntu oshadile nje wake walobola wangenza i-anti-nuptial contract before elobola is married in communal property. Njengoba usisesathu usalinde i-anti-nuptial contract 4 years after alotsholwa vele already nje in communal property akasale sebeyiyeka leyo anti-nuptial contract because the Constitutional Court has just said it is invalid. I doubt an attorney is going to proceed to do an anti-nuptial contract for abantu abalobolene anyway unless befihla ukuthi balobolene.
Hi Gagasi FM, ngiyathemba niyaphila. So mina ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi okay ke usushadileke kulo in community, ni happy futhi ni right, but ufuna ukwazi ukuthi the only way yokuphuma kulo in community waphela mhlawumbe ushade ungazi unganakile, the only way ukuthi uphume kulo in community is it only through divorce. There is no other way. Waphela akusakwazi ukubuyela emuva manje.
I love her question. I love all the questions from today. So Usisi, this is a very good question because I think maybe a lot of people are confused by this. No, ikhona court order ongahamba uyoyibheka ekuthiwa ezokwenza ukuthi uvunyelwe ungena kwi-post nuptial agreement. Angithi thina right now sikhuluma nge-anti-nuptial contract, ANC, which you get into before lobola. If usenilobolene nabusiseka ngomshado omuhle, and then but right now niyabona ukuthi no oyedwa wethu nama-business sifuna ukuba out. You don't have to divorce. That's not the only option. It is one of the options, but it's not really the legal process. The legal process is post-nuptial contract, PNC, which you enter into usushadile niyavumelana ukuthi nifuna ukuba out of communal property. It's just that that document must be approved by court. It's a court application, and it's a high court application. So it's cost yayo is plus minus 50k if no one is disputing it.
The questions are coming in thick and fast. What's uvale ngokugcina na wogcina?
Good day, midday connection. I just need to check bafowethu kwenziwa yini ukuthi umthetho uhlonze uhlobo lomshado wesiZulu as umshado hlanganise amafa. Why kungabanga the other way around instead of ukuthi kube ukuthi nje umuntu nokwakhe kube ukuthi benza lesi sivumelwano uma ngabe befisa ukuthi kuyo ngama choices abo bowu ukuthi bahlanganise. Ngiyabonga, thank you, bye.
Yo, okay, one final fantastic question. In South Africa right now, yonke imshado are automatically in communal property. Kusona lo wesintu kuphela. By the way, akusona ngisho ukuthi umshado wesiZulu. We're talking about customary marriage. It can be Botswana, it could be the vendors, could be the Tongas. But every marriage in South Africa is automatically in communal property, and then ukuthi umshado wakho ungabi in communal property ngamanye amagama ungahlanganisa amafa, you must do an anti-nuptial contract before ungena kuleyo mshado loyo. So umthetho wase South Africa ngeke uzukwazi ukushintsha ngenxa yesiZulu kuphela, because inkinga that a lot of people, especially from the Zulu nation, abanayo ngale Recognition of Customary Marriages Act, bathi bakumuzi kababa, bakumuzi omkhulu. So akwazi ukuthi manje mase sihlukana or ngishona lo muzi fanele uhambe nomakoti. So ukuthi uavoid le nto le, you must get an anti-nuptial contract done before your lobola.
Hayi kunzima.
Hectic.
Hayi kunzima.
I need 2 liters of water.
Hey, mina nje ngiyawubuka nje kuloyo kuceka, so phela fanele ukugcwalise futhi keke. Yo,
I hope this helps people, because badinga ukuthi kucacise, because it's a lot. The estate yakho yonke is on the line when it comes to you ungazi ngale mthetho.
Sikuthola kanjani Zolo masifisa ukuxhumana nawe mfethu?
Ngicela ngithola ko social media, Instagram, TikTok if you want to watch my video ami ku website www.legacyezibaya.co.za. But before I go, I want to vote. I vote for We Can't Be Friends.
Gagasi FM.